Hello everyone, I am Dr. Crow. Let's go over the syllabus for online stat. This will pertain to generally any modality of the stat class I'm doing. If it's a fast track, of course it's a fast class. Summer's quick, so just keep that in mind. Best way to reach me is through email, which is stated on the homepage. And I am in my office in Math 109 during the times that the office hour states. In this case, it's this one. So during the year, academic year, I will be in the office at that point. For an online class, usually you can't make it. So the best way to reach me, contact me through email. We'll set up a meeting. I meet pretty much any day of the week, unless I happen to be gone on a weekend, which I don't usually most of the time. And we'll set up a meeting. Usually mornings are best, and then not early mornings, but mornings. And then in the evenings, after my classes around 6:30 and on, I can meet then. And I can even meet on the weekends if you like, if you want to. Just let me know and we'll set up a time. Okay, there's no text to purchase for the class. All the materials are on Canvas, and once you get there, you'll see what to look for. Officially, I'm using OpenStax. However, there's other materials we'll be using for the course. So take a look at that once you are on Canvas and look into files. Let's just write that down. So go to files. It's going to take a second because, okay. So, I don't know if that showed up or not. Okay, let's continue. Prereqs for the course technically are intermediate algebra, now basic algebra, and at the intermediate level. Some of it I will go over in class, and you can always ask me or go to the Math Center online or in person to get specific help on algebra. This is the basic grading scale. I'll describe it. I describe it more later in a different video. So basically what I want you to do is I'm having you watch the lecture videos that are recorded in modules, and you go, what I do is section by section. So I don't go by the book, I go by sections, and I have those titled, and it's something you download as well in on the homepage on Canvas. Okay, and so you are going to go through the videos and you take notes on it just like you're in class, and you'll turn that in. That's worth 60 points out of 500. Then you will use that information and what I assign for homework to do the quizzes. The quizzes are worth 40 points, and they're broken up into two pieces, 25 and 15. The 25 is multiple choice or fill in the blank type quizzes online, and then you'll write stuff down as you take it, and then you're going to turn that in, and that's worth another 15 points, which gives you the 40 points. There's six quizzes, and the final exam is I'll explain that more online, but that's a download, work it out, and turn it in. And that's worth 200 points. Okay, so more of those details you can ask me, or it'll be described online on Canvas. Here's your basic grading scale. Okay, so homework for this class will not be collected. So the homework is used to do the quizzes. It's like they're like homework quizzes. So you do the homework, and then some of the questions on the quizzes will be directly from the homework. Like you literally it's just right there. You copy it. Almost all the homework assigned has solutions. It's in supplemental materials and files. So those solutions are there, at least the answers, and in some cases the actual written out solution. Okay, let's take a look at that. And this is what we'll be quizzed on. So 1 through 6 is pretty quick. It's pretty superficial stuff. I don't even assign homework in most of those sections. Section 6 is the most difficult. That's on probability. And then we get to, I have 16 in my sections. The 16 I just wanted to mention if I have time. Okay, so those are the details. Now it's your turn to go through many of the details. of the course and what I have written up on the syllabus. So attendance basically is mandatory, meaning you have to access Canvas in your case. Okay, so if you don't, you will be dropped. Okay, so you have to have participation. So go through all that. But it's possible I may not drop you. So it's your responsibility to drop overall. And then here's a number of expectations to be successful. I sort of cater this to online, but it's kind of what I always say. So go through that carefully, and if we ever have meetings online, turn your cell phones on silent. Always got to say that as well too. And here's our basic outline. Now this specific calendar is for an 8-week course, so that'll just change depending on your course. If it's 6 weeks, we're going to compress things. If it's 8 weeks, you'll have a quiz every other week, essentially. So that's how it will go. So if it's a full term is what I think I meant to say. You'll need scientific calculator, pencil, straight edge, all that stuff. That's just basic stuff to do it. You will need, for an online course, just want to be clear, you need something to download PDF files, you need something to write, you need something to scan or photo, turn into a PDF, and then upload it. And I do describe that in the other content. So you need this to be able to do all of those things. And also you need access to a program like Excel. It doesn't need to be Excel, but that's what I will use to show you some computer packages and how to do the analysis on Excel. I won't show any other package other than that. So most of us can have access to that. Either you go to a library if you have to, but online, at home, usually you have something. You have something that has Excel. I think I bought even a one on the iPad. It does most of the content, maybe not all, but you'll be able to find it. You just got to have effort to go get it. Okay, and then here's some student learning outcomes. Personal note from me: I enjoy doing mathematics, etc. Student behavior code that includes online. No, in your case, like reposting of any of my videos or of me, any of these things to something else. If that's found out, you will be dropped from the class and earn an F and reported to student discipline. Okay, and that's pretty much it here. The rest of it is, and then of course some cool quotes to take a look at. The rest of it is described on Canvas. Specific details of your class and timing will be described on the homepage. So take a look at that. That's where you go basically next, or initially, is the homepage on Canvas. You download the syllabus, listen to these videos, and that's what you focus on. So each syllabus will be for each specific class, and you will go by that. What will change are of course the section numbers, the modality, meaning how long the course is. 6 weeks in the summer usually is what I do. 8 weeks or full term. And even if it's full term, that's really only 17 weeks because we will not have a finals week for online. So that'll be more specific. Everything else is the same. The number of quizzes, the videos, the point distribution, the quizzes, right? So those will all be the same. I think that's basically it. So the next thing you do is you figure out what I mean by sections. You go to that video, and I describe what it is and give an overview, and we go per section. You will go to Mendenhall, or you'll go to OpenStax to do the work. That's all described, and in there it's all posted, and start doing the homework and going through all the videos. And then, so you got to spend a good amount of time reading and understanding the mode of the course. Once you get it, it'll be like, okay, you just do that every week. So you go through the videos, you'll have lecture notes, you'll have homework, and then you'll take the quiz. You'll write everything down as you take the quiz. You'll have everything out to do the quiz, your homework, your lecture notes, and 75%, if not more, of the problems will be from that work. Like exactly. And then I may have you work out a couple on your own. So it's Some of it is what I would call busy work. It gets you to basically do it. But on an online course, it's pretty much easy to fudge it or cheat. So I'm basically forcing you to do the work. So that's what I want you to do. And you'll be fine. If you have any specific questions, the best way is to email me. And if you want to then meet online, the Zoom link will be in the homepage or on the homepage on Canvas. Okay, hopefully you have a great semester, great fall, great spring, a great summer. Thank you. Bye.